Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video we will see what is meant by monotonic transformation and what is meant by non-monotonic transformation. So first we will see what is meant by monotonic transformation. So a transformation such as y is equal to g of x. So here x is a random variable and y is another random variable. We are transforming the x random variable into y by using a transformation g. So this is called monotonic if g of x, that is y value, is either strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. So whether it is increasing or decreasing based on the value of x1 and x2 and the value of y's, so we will call either monotonically increasing or monotonically decreasing. So first, if we consider monotonically increasing, for x1 less than x2, that is x2 value is more when compared to x1, g of x2 value also should be more when compared to g of x1 value. Then it is called monotonically increasing transformation. An illustration for this is, so you take this type of transformation. So here this is the random variable x and here the transformation y is equal to g of x. So if you take two different values of x1 and x2, so here x2 is more or higher value than x1, so the corresponding value of g of x, so this is, oh, for example, this is y2 and this is y1. So y2 value is more than y1 value. So then it is called monotonically increasing transformation. Whereas if you take monotonically decreasing transformation, so this type of curves. So here this is g of x and this is the random variable x. So here again if you take two different values, this is x2 and this is x1, so this is g of x1 and this is g of x2. So here x2 is more than x1, but g of x2 value is less than g of x1 value. G of x1 value is more when compared to g of x2, for x1 less than x2. Then it is called monotonically decreasing. Either it is strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. Such a transformation is called monotonic transformation. So we have another type of transformation, non-monotonic transformation. So again we have y is equal to g of x is a random variable and y is another random variable. But in this case it is non-monotonic if g of x, that is the transformed random variable, is not strictly increasing nor decreasing. So here in case of monotonic transformation there is a one-to-one relation. There is a one-to-one relation between x and y. But in case of non-monotonic transformation, what we have to remember is there is no one-to-one relation between random variable x and random variable y. So the illustration for such kind of non-monotonic transformation is will look like this. So it increases and again decreases and again increases. So this is y and this is x. So for same value of y, so here we are having for x1, for x2 and for x3, we have same value of y dash. So for example, if you call this value as y dash, for different values of x we are having same value of y. So there is no one-to-one relation in case of non-monotonic transformation. The curve will may increase up to some portion and then again it decrease and again it may increase. So that is not the case in case of monotonic transformation. you will have for each value of x, you will have unique values of y. Either it may increase or it may decrease. But here in case of non-monotonic transformation, for different values of x, still the random variable y may take the same value. So that is the major difference between monotonic transformation and non-monotonic transformation. There is a one-to-one relation between value of x and value of y in case of monotonic, whereas in case of non-monotonic, there is no one-to-one relation between the random variable x and random variable y. I hope you are able to understand what is monotonic and what is non-monotonic. So with the help of these curves, you can easily differentiate between monotonic and non-monotonic transformation. Thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.